Hey everyone, and I I kind of knew what I wanted to say in the intro, but I'll probably just no, I'm gonna go straight to the point. I am a little bit tired, and you probably already noticed that I released one video in 2 months. That is literally nothing compared to the usual 9 videos in 2 months. But I'm kind of lucky to say that I'm tired, but for happy reasons, because I did something I realized I really enjoy, but it drains a lot of energy. In particular, I prepared four, four sessions I delivered in just 8 days in March. So I spent literally a month and a half preparing the slides, preparing the speech, preparing the demos, and I'm kind of still recovering. But as I said, I feel lucky because I actually did something I really enjoyed doing. But on the other side, it took all my free time and even more. So I couldn't really prepare and write videos. And I also had this idea of recording videos, not exactly technical. I said that at the beginning of this year, but this is probably the first real video where I'm not gonna go into technical topics or details. So if you're interested to hear a little bit about me, just keep watching the videos. Otherwise, long story short, I'm gonna get back publishing technical video hopefully soon. As I said, I still have plans to talk more about TanStack. I've got a lot of ideas about videos on TanStack forum. I still want to do the TanStack Start tutorial. I want to keep working on a project so that I can properly explain all the features. And also, this should be a golden moment to talk about Copilot and AI stuff. But to be honest, things change way too fast and I can't really keep up. Which is great, it's awesome to see so many good features. But also on the other side, every time I try to learn or understand or study a tool or a feature, I also realize that learning a new tool doesn't necessarily unlock you the tool you're gonna use in the next 2 years. It is just the tool you're gonna use in the next 3 months until a new tool comes out, which is better, it's faster, and you're kind of tricked into trying to learn the new one. And then the new one. What I'm kind of realizing is that I should just, well, obviously not blindly follow the hype, I always say that, but also try to learn and study some of the new tools, not all of them because it's impossible. And the idea is to learn pretty much how the interaction with this kind of AI tools is, so that I get better and faster every time I want to learn a new stuff. So it's not learning a new AI tool to get immediately better, but learning a new AI tool so that I can better understand how to keep using the next tool and the next one. It's kind of a weird situation. And yeah, but with this realization now I'm more calm. I know that I might miss some new features and I don't care. I'm just gonna study the next one, then we're gonna miss a few more and jump on the following one that's gonna come a week later. And that's fine. But enough talking about AI, as there's one more topic, and it's the fact that probably a couple of years ago, a friend asked me, why do you do what you're doing? Well, at first, it caught me off guard. I didn't really have an answer. But then I tried to think about a possible answer. And to this day, I still cannot find one answer that fully satisfies me. So why do I do what I'm doing? Why do I talk on YouTube about open source, about Copilot? Why do I contribute to open source? I don't know. I mean, there's not a single reason. There's many of them, and I can't find one that wins over the others. Like, helping others is great, because obviously it's awesome to help people, and when I help people, I learn new stuff. It's great to contribute to open source, again, because you're trying to make the world a better place. But I also like to make videos for all the things already mentioned, learn new stuff, and it also helps me on, let's say, my personal branding. But there isn't one single reason. I mean, okay, everything is cool. I like programming, I like writing code, but why I'm not just doing something else. Like this Sunday afternoon right now, and this morning I did some gardening, which is also fine. I didn't write a TanStack form tutorial, but I took care of the plants here on my garden. So why did I do that instead of talking about tech? I don't know, to be honest. And now that I'm just rambling and doing a brain dump, I'm curious if you're still here. What do you think? Like, have you ever tried to ask yourself, why do you do what you're actually doing? And do you have an answer? Do you have a final answer that fully covers everything you do? Why you're passionate about the things you're passionate? I don't think it's an easy question, to be honest. I mean, it should be, but it's not. So please, if you have answers for your case, uh, let me know in the comments. And with that, I think I'm gonna just end the video pretty much now. I hope you like this kind of format. There's a lot of things I really want to say. I try to do that in a kind of newsletter form, and you should subscribe to my newsletter. Link is on my site. But anyway, I really want to be more human. I don't want to be just the tutorial guy. So also, if you're interested in more videos about this one, or just talk about something, let me know. Also, if you have any kind of question, any topic you'd like to hear my opinion on, I'm open to any kind of suggestion. Don't worry, I'm gonna get back at tutorials, I think, soon. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you really soon. Bye.